thousands of professionals in the water industry to come together for the sole purpose of advancing the future of water. Just talking with some of the people that we've met today, they're making actual real impact in the communities that they serve. Clean water, the competitions are amazing.
We're here to meet our challenge, not that madness that you've seen in years past, but it is chaotic.
Some of the stuff that we're doing is we are looking to continue to innovate to bring some of these different functions and features into the meter itself.
Partners are a strategic fit for Diehl. Most of the time they have the local presence with the utilities. They're able to provide local support in a much timely fashion than we could provide as a manufacturer.